who wishes should be buried. I will not bury a local Ekahama. Hana right in the gate, right in the cause. Malasonia Magana Kokoalagi. Thank you. I am happy to be a part of this celebration. 1 year today, or yesterday either, I celebrated my mother like this. So many of you saw it. And that led good example for so many people to emulate and begin to do so. Most times our people believe in burial. They believe in showcasing also than like our mother now. That next to you whom you are. So if you are alive and you are waiting for your parents to die, give a committee of friends. And they were friends and I told you millions of naira. You begin to brag. When I buried my father, I gathered so amount. Shame on you. If you're a man, shame on you. If you're a woman, shame. Celebrate them now. You must not have the whole money in the whole world before you can celebrate somebody. The little get together. It can go a long way. If you see my mother now, today she was dancing this morning and I was looking at her. This woman that hardly walk. Each time she see her grandchildren, it makes her happy. It's not always about money. You can send money from overseas, send this and that, but your presence matters a lot. You will see how happy and strong that this woman will look after today. I am talking to my people. I am not good in pretending or making or saying what I cannot do or trying to show people that I can talk. But I am speaking from the bottom of my heart. Oh my God, bottom. English, oh, rather English, bottom. Na mele yin koga pan. Ifo ya kana na bobo. O je bobo tin ba ka no. O ko la de. O ri ife. Ki de lebe. Sham. Mo ja biam. Michael Jackson ndo wa he. Na mi pa go. Ni pa go ko obo. Eli da na ma wa yin. Sa inya fe la. Nketa de la sha go. Ya ibu ni so na anyi ga no. Chaba. And if you are good person on the book was there, if you got you could put out to boat. Oh, we are going here. So, what I want to say before I take my leave, I encourage everyone that is under my voice to start celebrating. Celebration is more better. All those money we waste, throw money so that friends will see we have beautiful houses. When your mother lived in a thatched house while she was alive, just for friends to see that you come out from a home. You are homeless, I want to tell you. So you only gave me them as many and I can tell you, thank you, God bless you. Is better than every other thing you do behind. May God bless our soul and give us reason to smile. And for the young ones hearing my voice, a house or a mansion is not built in a day. Life is all about step by step. Step by step. I'm one water from your Idodu, from Igbo, from the Obanye school. Like that, you will continue to grow. But today, the reason we die young is because everybody wants to be born today, you grow today, you start running today, you make money today, you marry today, you buy a car today, and when you want to achieve that within a second, you will lose everything. If only you can embrace God. Tell Him to come into your life and direct your path. No other person will do it better except God. He is the only person that can do it better. Forget about what people will say about you. They might call you names. They may discard you. They will say a lot of negative things about you. But if you stand with Him, believe in what you know, the gift and talent that God has given to you. You fly mountains. Today, everybody is celebrating me. I did not start today. I worked for it. I passed through hell. I passed through needle. And today you can see God has crowned me with glory. Glory that can never be shaken. Also go to Ghana Kofu, try to pull me down. I am unpullable. I am unfallable. I am undiable. I am unfathomable. You can't watch me. And I go back ever. So may God bless your soul. Whatever you find yourself doing, do it well. He said, I will bless the works of your hands. He didn't say, I will bless you while you are lazing around. I will bless the works of your hand. DJ shall be blessed through this work. God will be connecting him from one big event to another. Before you know it, you become a celebrity. When you see the same thing, MC the same thing. When you not to go the same, when you should begin as one day, you don't want to hands out that promotion. Or where I go away. I think I was here in our Jesus.